Oh, hi guys, didn't see you there. I was just about to cook something. Yeah, you know how like it's like it's not the first day of the year anymore, but Happy New Year. And I'm gonna cook something sort of like very simple, very easy, very like it's like dirty food, like when you want something greasy in your body. Yeah, I forgot to say, you're back with your favorite ex-chef host, me, Audino Wicaksono. So this has only like some ingredients. Maybe only like we only need like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients, excluding oil and salt. So first, let's start with this. This may look like butter, but it's not. It's a sausage. Actually, so we can just put it on your cutting board. Where is this going? Here. I'm gonna cut it. You won't see the cutting. Maybe you can see the cutting. I'll put it from here. Okay, no, you can't see it. This is not in any angle. It's a secret. Shh.